Hi guys, Jesby in the UK, and good evening. It is Sunday the 24th of March. Just shooting a little update video for you on my number one program at the moment out of all the ones I'm involved with. This is my passive trades. For those of you who subscribe to the channel, you'll have probably seen some of my other videos on this. The last update video I did was on the 11th of March, and on that video we were actually at 630 in the ad packs, and as you can see we've had 12 full days. This will be day 13 where I'm going to do another purchase, but in those 12 days you can see the balance has now gone up to $720. So total earned is now currently standing at $270.85, and you can see in the wallet currently we've got $9.40. So being that we've got over the $5, we are going to get another pack. So literally, to purchase the packs, guys, you just go to the passive trades pack section, buy ad pack, and that will take you to this screen, and literally you just enter one there. Obviously if I had over the 10 I'd be going for 2, but on this occasion we'll just choose the 1. They always give you this little pop-up, guys, so just to make sure you are 100% certain you want to purchase that ad pack share, which I do, and you'll see that then confirms, there we go, shares successfully purchased. And if I now go back to my account and we go to the account overview, there we go, and if we go down to the packs you can now see we're at 725. What else did I want to show you on here? So you can see it's left me with 440, but again tomorrow when we go to do that there'll be another sort of $7.20 added onto that. So tomorrow evening I'd actually be looking to buy 2 packs, so we'll do 10 tomorrow. The latest sort of thing, if you actually join the team with my passive trades, we've got a very sort of active Facebook support group, and one of the members there had developed a calculator to actually work out the packs you're purchasing, etc. And the beauty of the program is, if you understand the power of compounding, that's basically what is causing me to go from investing sort of 400 and something odd dollars. I'll show you the exact amount in a minute, but that's what's given me that earnings and is building this balance up every day. So if I take you to the spreadsheet, right, and you can see I basically it's American format, guys, so for us Brits it's a bit annoying, but it's the wrong way around. So it was actually the 2nd of Jan that I got into the program, put a deposit of $10 in, and that basically got me 2 of the ad packs shares. So obviously my total shares value was $10. Now you can see that on the site it does say up to 1.25, but it's been averaging since I've joined it 1%. We've never gone below that. Now the whole program is backed by actual daily trading that's going on, guys. So even if no new members came into the program, the trading activity alone is what pays us back the profit we get on our ad pack shares. And it's been consistent. I say I've been since the start of the year, and you can see the way it's building. And yes, I have done a withdrawal, and if I wanted to I could do them literally every couple of days. Once you hit sort of a $10 amount in your wallet, you can basically withdraw it. So that's the only proviso, that it's got to hit $10. But if I show you the pack here, so as we go through you can see after I sort of tested the deposits, found out everything was working as they said it would, literally 3 days later came in with another $45 there. And all the while, guys, you can see it's hitting the 1%, so the calculation here works it out as 55 cents. So that builds through, and every time it would hit 5, you can see where you've got the money then to repurchase. Now bear in mind, the system doesn't automatically repurchase for you, so you need to sort of clock in every day, see what you've got in your wallet, and then you make that decision. So the company don't force you to do a repurchase of ad shares, and that's very important. The money is in your wallet. It's your choice. You could choose to withdraw it to your Bitcoin wallet and then transfer it out to Coinbase or wherever to turn it into fiat currency if that's what you want to do. But I think for most people who understand the benefits of this program and the power of the compounding, you'd be looking to put it back in. Now, if we scale up down here, guys, you can see on the 24th, I put another $34 in. On the 2nd of Feb, I did another $95. Let's scan down. And another 95 there. The 1020 was a withdrawal that I did just to test on the system. And there is a video that I've put up showing that withdrawal as well. And you can see I did some other smaller amounts here and there. Another 75. So all the time, you know, that's buying me extra ad packs. If we come down, 1240, 6716, got a 549 there, 17 as a deposit. The 120 was actually commissions earned. You do get paid commissions on any referrals into your downline. It's 8% on your first level introductions, and then on any that they would introduce, you'd get 3%. And that's all costed out in the business plan for My Passive Trades. So the trading activity more than covers what they are paying out and giving as commissions as well, and enables them to pay the returns that they're promising to pay on the ad packs. So you can see, I think the last one I did put in was, yeah, on the 19th of the 3rd. I just put in 6, and that was probably just to get it over the line so I could buy some more ad packs. But what's interesting to note, guys, if you scan down, now for instance, we are the 24th today, which is here. So you can actually see, if I scan across, the calculator has actually worked it out exactly as to what I've just been able to do. You've just seen me buy that extra $5 share, so I actually have $725 sort of sat there. Now, if I don't put any further deposits in and we just let this thing run, if we actually scan down, and let's say we go to 6 months. Now it was the 2nd of Jan, so we do the 2nd of July. Let's find that here, guys. So if we do what would be my 6 months in the business, you'd actually be looking at the pot being $1,290. That's without me putting any extra in and just letting the power of the compounding build it up. And again, if we go right the way through to, let's go to the end of the year. Calculators should actually do it, that it's, yeah, you can see there, guys, 2nd of the 1st, 2020 that would be. So that's your 365 days, and you can see that would leave me with 2,645 in the pot, which again, at that stage is generating $26.40 daily, just in the 1% commissions. So it's certainly, once you start playing around with the power compounding, just goes, you can see here what I put in to date. So total deposits have been $468.85. That would include the $1.20 of affiliate the commissions, and then it's just showing the only withdrawal that I've had. So I think, considering we've got 468, that if I put nothing else in now, or no other commissions comes in, and that just works for me, and all I do is get those ad packs going back in, that's not a bad return on, you know, what I've put in originally, guys. So yeah, certainly the power of compounding is something to look at. If you do join the team and you join the Facebook group, this particular calculator is available, I think, to most members now in the files section. Because to try and create one of these from scratch in Excel will be an absolute pain. So a big thank you to the team member who's put this in there. But let's just come out of that for the second and go back to the account. So literally with My Passive Trades, you can join up as I say, I started with $10, but I believe technically as a pack is $5. You could technically start with 5. When you come in, obviously you'll fill all your details out, put your Bitcoin wallet details, etc. And then literally you would just come to My Wallet. You would look to deposit. And hopefully the internet's going to work a bit quicker. There we go. So you could come in and say you wanted to just start with your $10. You just literally put in $10. You pick your payment option. Now, obviously, you want to pay in. Bitcoin is the way we pay the funds in, guys. So you select Bitcoin. You would then go to Fund Account. And just says your account name there. So you're funding it. It's $10 and that'll be the total. Now, when you click the Confirm Payment button, that will then link to the Bitcoin service provider that My Passive Trades use, which is Coin Payments. And if you Google Coin Payments, it's actually a well-respected and big cryptocurrency wallet and merchant online. So you are dealing with a well-known company. You would literally, they generate a wallet address that you then would use your Exodus wallet, Coinbase, etc. You would then send your payment into that wallet address. Allow usually around about half an hour to an hour for the Coin Payments guys to get that payment and then send it on. And I'd say after certainly within an hour to 2 hours, My Passive Trades, it usually does show up in the back office. But bearing in mind, cryptocurrency and the blockchain sometimes can be a little bit slower, so it may take longer than that. But most of the times I've done it, you are looking at that sort of time scale. And then once it's in your wallet, you can basically just check on your account, go to Account Overview, you'll see it, or go into My Wallet and just check your wallet balance. Once it's in there, as you saw just a second ago when I actually bought the pack, you would go into Buy Add Packs. That would literally come up. You would hit how many units you want. If you put $10 in, you could obviously select 2. That would drop down, and then obviously in your Bitcoin balance, you would have the $10 there to make the purchase. So that's literally how easy it is, guys. Another benefit of being in the program, and I do use, is we get sort of free advertising. Now, if I show you Manage Ads, so you get a banner section where you can put in a 468 by 60. I've actually also put in some 125s, which are showing on the site, although they don't actually list that site. Here you go, guys. You can actually see a few here. So I've got these running on the site, various different programs that I'm in. Probably some of these at the bottom of the actual web page could well be mine. And the beauty of these is you can actually see I am getting clicks and people signing up in these other programs. So it's an effective form of advertising. As well as the banners, you also get websites. Now, I'm not sure if I've actually listed any. Can't remember. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, I have got a few programs running there as well. So again, they're kind of the login type ads. Let's see what else we've got. Actually, sorry, no, they're just the general website ads, and then we've got login. So I've got a few listed here for login ads as well. Oh, actually, I need to topple them up. They've run out of. Let's see, assign credits. We'll send some to that one. I think I've got 11 there. Do you really want to assign those credits? Yes. So it's giving me some credits to that web address. That's kind of all I wanted to do on this one, guys, really. It was just to give you an update. So it's been 11 days since the last one. And we are now close on $95 up since I did the previous video on the 11th of March. And it's just trundling along really nicely. I think on the next one I might let it go to sort of a $10 amount so I can do another withdrawal. So you'll see how quickly that's happening. And I may be doing some other top-ups on some other profit from other programs I'll be adding into here. So I will shoot a video just showing that as well. But I've got to say, guys, when I see a lot of other programs that are starting up all over the net, and some are coming in paying people 0.5s and 0.7s, at the lower end and expecting you to go in with a minimum of $100, you can get started here for 10, and we are hitting on average at the moment 1%. And equally, be very careful. There's a lot of programs out there at the moment promising, 3%, 4% plus every day. And the reality is, those are literally, most of those programs are only being funded through new people coming in. There's no actual trading going on. So they're just not sustainable, and they do disappear really quickly. Trust me on that, guys. Unfortunately, in the past, I've been in a few where you think the website is promising you all these good things, and the reality is they've got nothing to back it up. As I say, you can see if you join us and go onto the Facebook group, there's people who have been in My Passive Trades even earlier than I've been in it. But I've been in it since the start of the year, and it's working. It's doing exactly what it says on the tin. There will be a link to a YouTube video from one of the co-owners, Darren Bradbury, below my video. Worth you watching that, because he gives a general overview and explains about the trading in the background, etc. But I highly recommend this program. Out of all of my little sort of portfolio at the moment, this is probably my most favourite program. I kind of like a steady Eddie. 1% may not excite some of you out there, but if you couple that in with the power of compounding, as I've shown you on the calculator, then, do you know what I mean? Even if I added nothing more to this now and just let it run through, I would be more than happy at the end of the year. Let's just scan down a bit quicker there, guys. To literally come out with, 2645, and then at the moment my total deposit of 468 there. Bearing in mind, must put a disclaimer in, guys, this calculator is purely, purely so that you can do some calculating on it, see what potentially you get. There's no guarantees. This calculator is really for information, entertainment purposes, but it does pretty much show you what the power of compounding can do. As with all crypto programs, I do say make sure you read the disclaimers, do your due diligence. There's enough sort of out there on My Passive Trades on YouTube and other places that you're more than welcome to have a read up. But as I say, I think most of the members who are in there are more than happy with the way the program's performing. It's been built on this lower sort of earnings number for sustainability, not because they couldn't pay you more, but the point is, we want it to be sustainable, we want it to be long term, and as I say, I've been with it over the 3 months now, and I'm more than happy with the way it's running. So the link is below, guys. As I say, read the disclaimer box down there, please. And if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button and the little notification bell, because then when I do further update videos, you'll get those. And thanks for watching the video today. If you've liked it, press the thumbs up. Equally, if you didn't like it, press the thumbs down. I'm not going to be upset about it, so don't worry. Okay, guys, thanks again for your time. Hope you enjoyed the video and found the information useful. See you on the next one.